Hello, I'm back. This is my official Thunderbolt Knex Thunderbolt Rotator. I can use it on multiple things. Here I have all the gear ratio. I don't know what RPM to, but here's a little sample I have. I already have plugged in, and let's give it a shot. That's pretty much it. This is my EOWS 612. I'm gonna have that on another night. It's done. I just have to put that back on, plug in my iPod, turn it on, and it works. So that'll be another video, right? So thanks for watching, and see you next time.